Are you looking for the best pressure washer hose reel? In this video we will show 6 best pressure washer hose reel. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Amazon Basics Retractable Air Hose Reel. Fits 3/8 inch x 50 feet air compressor hoses, hoses excluded, not for water/pressure washers, 300 psi, black. Brand, Amazon Basics. Material, steel. Color, black. Item weight, 2.39 kilograms. Maximum pressure, 300 pound per square inch. Outside diameter, 0.38 inches. Manufacturer, Amazon. Flexible and easy to maneuver, super flexible 50-foot x 3/8 inch hybrid air hose, not included, perfect for navigating around corners and obstacles. Pneumatic compressor air hose only. Not compatible with water hoses. Value for money, offers great value, providing excellent performance at an affordable price, making it a cost-effective choice for various tasks. Versatile compatibility, works well with a 1/4 inch air inlet/outlet in certain compressors, ensuring compatibility and ease of use for various applications. Convenient mounting and portability. Includes a steel bracket for easy wall or workbench mounting, with a quick removal pin lock for effortless detachment and portability, screws/bolts and hose not included. Note, screws/bolts for wall mounting and hose are not included. Number 2. Pressure Washer Hose Reel. Double arm 3/8 in x 50 feet retractable pressure washer reel. Auto rewind heavy duty steel professional power wash hose reel with 5-foot lead for air/oil/water 4000 psi. Brand, Brie Aero. Material, alloy steel, brass. Color, black. Style, automatic retraction, easy to use, easy to assemble, sturdiness and durability. Heavy-duty construction, our pressure washer hose reel are made from heavy-duty industrial carbon steel for durability, and the steel with high-quality powder coat finish for long-term corrosion resistance, making the pressure washer reel suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Working pressure, 4000 psi. Not include 50-foot hose. Length lock auto rewind, internal 8-position ratchet gear lock of retractable pressure washer hose reel provides convenient length locking that locks exactly at the length you want. In addition, the internal powerful retracting spring of high-pressure hose reel provides strong and stable retraction of the hose, providing a tidy and anti-tangle working environment. Adjustable dual arm, the adjustable arms of the power washer hose reel are made of premium carbon steel, which can keep the pressure washer reel stretched smoothly without shaking. In addition, you can adjust the angle of the arms to adapt to various complex working environments. Number 3. MEKOH Pressure Washer Hose Reel. 50 FTX 0.3/8 inch/65 FTX 1/4, 4000 psi heavy-duty power washer hose reel with M22-14 fitting, hand crank metal reel with wall trailer van mount, manual hose reel for water. Brand, MEKOH. Material, heavy-duty metal construction, solid brass. Color, shiny black. Style, patio and garden cleaning tools, pressure washer accessories. Reel industry grade, super durable, MEKOH Pressure Washer Hose Reel is a real high-pressure hose reel which can be used on commercial-grade pressure washer and outdoors. Come with a whole heavy-duty steel construction and a powder coat which enable it hold up 4000 psi working pressure. Also, the full-sealed 90 degrees solid brass full-flow NPT swivel has a great corrosion resistance, non-rusting, non-leaking. All these are for great durability. For your convenience, all the upgraded details of MEKOH Pressure Washer Hose Reel are to help you pull out and retract the hose quickly and easily, without any struggle. The enlarged hand crank is designed for quick retraction. The 90-degree elbow at the outlet protects the hose from kinks and bend damage, extending hose life. The fixed ring on the power washer hose reel prevents the hose holder from rolling during operation. Also, the red locking mechanism in the attachment can fix the hose. Number 4. Tool Daily Retractable Pressure Washer Hose Reel. 60-foot x 1/4 heavy-duty power washer hose reel 3600 psi, auto-rewinding, wall/floor mounted. Brand, Tool Daily. Material, metal. Color, gray, black. Maximum pressure, 3,600 pound per square inch. Item length, 60 feet. Manufacturer, Tool Daily. Auto-retractable pressure washer reel. The hose reel is designed with a stop ball, allowing you to lock the pressure washer hose at any desired length for convenience. The auto-rewind feature quickly and effortlessly retracts the hose back onto the reel, saving you time and effort compared to manual hose reels. For non-snag rollers, minimize hose tangling and protect the hose from wear and tear. Durable construction, built from heavy-duty industrial-grade steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coating, this pressure hose reel is sturdy, rust-proof, and designed to last. The full-flow solid swivel joint at the hose inlet effectively reduces the risk of leakage, ensuring reliable performance. Various mounting positions. The hose reel for pressure washer can be easily installed on flat surfaces such as the ground, floors, walls, ceilings, garages, body shops, or workshops, vans, etc. The adjustable guide arm makes it adaptable to various usage scenarios. Superior performance. This pressure washing hose reel holds up to 60 feet of a 1/4 inch diameter power washer hose, providing ample reach for most cleaning tasks. With a maximum working pressure of 3,600 psi, it's compatible with most pressure washers and hoses. It also withstands temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Number 5. AYURA Retractable Garden Hose Reel. 100-foot x 1/2 inch with Pro Metal Shaft, heavy-duty automatic garden hose reels with kink-free rewind and lock at any length, wall mount water hose reel for outside. Brand, AYURA. Material, 3-layer PVC hose, UV polypropylene double shell. Color, green. Style, modern. Long-lasting, leak-free performance. The retractable garden hose reel features a reinforced metal shaft that resists pressure, aging, and wear far better than plastic ones. This durable core prevents internal leaks and keeps water flowing smoothly. No cracks, no drips, just years of dependable use. Water your whole yard without the struggle. Tired of dragging heavy hoses around? The retractable hose reel 100 feet, with its 1/2 inch diameter, gives you easy access across lawns, flower beds, and patios. It delivers steady flow without the back and forth hassle, perfect for outdoor care in any large yard. Smooth, safe rewind, no snapback risks. With a premium spring tested over 20,000 cycles, this garden hose reels retract at a gentle, controlled pace. That means no dangerous whipping or fast recoils, just a soft, steady pullback that protects your hands and the hose itself. Triple seal protection for leak-free use, combining a sealed aluminum shaft, explosion-resistant hose, and upgraded plastic quick connector. This water hose reel prevents both inner and outer leaks. You won't lose water pressure or end up with wet hands and puddles. Just a clean, dry watering experience. Number 6. High-pressure washer hose reel. For water/air/oil, 3/8x 50-foot steel dual-arm auto-retractable power wash hose reel, heavy-duty hose reel 4,000 psi. Brand, Fixfans. Material, brass, stainless steel. Color, black. Style, hose reel. Superior construction. The pressure washer hose reel is crafted from heavy-duty industrial steel with brass fittings. The steel material is heat-treated in powder coat finishes for providing exceptional resistance against corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance and long service life. Built to withstand extreme working conditions. Controlled automatic rewind. Say goodbye to tangled hoses and time-consuming manual winding. The pressure hose reel with a retractable spring-driven mechanism. This high-pressure hose reel offers convenient and controlled retraction for 3/8 ID pressure washer hoses up to 50 feet long. The multi-position lock ratchet mechanism allows you to secure the desired hose length, providing flexibility and ease of use. Wide application. The pressure washing hose reel's adjustable guide arm and robust steel construction base allow for secure and stable mounting to any flat surface of outdoors or indoors, such as ground, wall, or ceiling mounting of factory workshops, garages, body shops, automotive workshops, etc. Great compatibility. The power washer hose reel also comes with a 3/8 QC plug to M22 14mm male adapter, 360-degree swivel water inlet joint, 3/8 NPT female thread, and a 4-foot inlet hose, M22 14mm female plus 3/8 NPT male swivel thread. Fits most pressure washer hoses, air hoses, oil hoses, and pressure washers. Working pressure, 4000 psi. Max temperature, 212 degrees Fahrenheit / 100 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.